Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can add sticker packs to your Telegram X. Before getting started, don't forget to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Telegram X app on your phone. Then on the top left corner, you can see the 3-bar icon. Tap on it, tap on settings, scroll down until you see the stickers option. Tap on it. Then you'll be given various of sticker packs. If you like any one of them, then you simply click on the add button that appears beside it. Suppose I like the dog sticker, then I tap on add. That appears to the right side of the dog sticker. Tap on add 35 stickers. Then I can simply go to install to check if I have this sticker installed in my app or not. If I have any stickers on my archived list, then I can view the archived list. And if I want to add it again, then I tap on add. Then it will be moved to the installed sticker packs again. You can use these sticker packs easily on your chats. On the bottom left corner of your message bar, you can see the sticker icon. You simply tap on it and then you can pick from your installed sticker packs. As you can see, I have 10 years of Telegram, the dog, and the hot cherry. If I tap on any one of these, it will automatically be sent to the chat. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps. If there's any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.